Wait, I also need salt. There we go, we got it all out.
Thomas, what are you making?
I'm making banana chocolate chip muffins.
And are you going to double the recipe?
Yes.
What does that mean?
That means I'm gonna add twice as much of everything.
So if you have 1.5 cups of flour, what does that mean?
That means I have 3 cups of flour.
Yeah, what about 1 egg?
2 eggs.
What about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt?
1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Good. What are you doing, Thomas?
I'm just trying to serve this thing, but it's not exactly pouring.